Welcome to this how-to video about using Shoebooks attachment feature. Shoebooks gives you the ability to upload any type of document, including all the main file types such as PDFs, JPEGs, TIFFs, spreadsheets, Word docs and zip files to any type of transaction. Today we're going to take you through where to find the attachment feature, how to upload and delete a file, and some examples of transactions that could be useful to store important files so you no longer need to keep them in a cabinet, in a shoebox, or worst case, actually lose them. Firstly, let's take a look at where to find the attachment feature. I'm going to use the customer record to show you today. So if we click on customer and actually go into a customer record, you'll see on the record there's activity tabs. So you've got comments, quotes, invoices, projects, and an attachment tab. If we click on that, this will actually take you into the attachment module where you can see and view all the existing files you have. You can quickly add a new file and delete the files as required. This is the same on all transactions, whether you're actually in quotes, invoices, receipts, projects, bills, employee records, bank recs, journals. Very simple feature to use. And I'll take you through some of those examples in a minute. So to quickly show you how to add and delete a file, it's quite simple. So again, we go into the record, into the attachment feature, and we'll take you into a bank rec as an example. Again, the activity tab, click on attachments. You'll see here already got an example of you may want to store the bank statements that you used for your bank recs or the import file when you've imported the data. You can just quickly click on the little plus button, add the file, click the little tick button to confirm, and you're done. Simple as that. So you can always refer back to the bank statement from bank recs in previous times. To delete, again, simple. You get the little delete button here, click delete, confirm, job done. So nice and easy. So some examples that could be really useful. If we go into the customer record, again going back into the customer record, you could use the attachment feature to attach a whole range of information that's relevant to the client. Could be emails, other correspondence, a whole range of details, contracts, quotes, all sorts of things that you can actually attach within Shoebooks. So that's one example. Another example could be confidential employee records. So if I go into an employee record and go into an example, click on attachments, you may use this to add a contract, their employment contract. Great way to store all the files of an employee in one location. Expense receipts. So if we go into bills and go into a bill, once again you can actually store your receipts or employee expense claims. Another good example. Bank recs, as again I've already shown you, a great way to store your bank transactions or your actually bank statements for future reference. Projects, you could go into a project or job that you're currently running and actually store contracts, quotes, other information pertaining to that job. And the other area for certainly accountants and bookkeepers could be actually storing away information about journals. So if we go into an actual journal transaction, again we've got the attachment feature, and you could put in detailed notes. Could be an import file, a whole range of things that again is in reference to that transaction. So lots of places that you can use it. Great place to keep all your files in one area and very easy to use. So we hope you found this how-to video useful, and please take the time to explore our other useful how-to guides so you start getting the most out of using Shoebooks.